Hi guys, this is the video of showing you how to do Retell lecture on Iowa. So first of all, log into your Iowa and click on practice and click on Retell lecture. Right, so this is the list of the exam question. You can pick any of the audio and you can just do it. I have done this one before. I have done this as well. So you can click on filter, click on exam, but then the one that you haven't practiced yet. So you can see this is the list of the one that you haven't done yet. Right, so first just click on them and then start. Adjust your volume.
I'm a dietitian and I work in clinical weight loss research. Accurately estimating portion size is critical in research or real world settings. For example, if you're trying to watch your weight and you're out to dinner and you're presented with a bowl of food, there's no really good way to actually estimate how much you're eating unless you're going to whisk some scales out of your bag. So we wanted to find a more objective way for people to quantify what they're eating when they're out and about. I came up with a more hands-on approach. We got people to measure the dimensions of the food using the width of their fingers. And remembering back to primary school maths, we used the geometric volume formulas to estimate the weight of the food. To show you how this works, I've ordered a piece of lasagna, and that's my box, a glass of wine, and that's my cylinder, and I'm feeling pretty healthy, so I ordered some watermelon for dessert, and that's my wedge. So this lasagna is 7 by 5 by 4 fingers. In the future, I see this method being incorporated into smartphone applications. So you put your fingerlets in along with your height and your weight, and the app will do all of the calculations for you. And then you've got a more accurate way to estimate the portion size.
The lecture was about dietitians, weight loss research, out for dinner. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that a bowl of food, no way to know how much you're eating, hence more approach. Moreover, the speaker suggested that math estimate weight of food, lasagna, watermelon for dessert. In addition, the speaker explained that lasagna by 7, by 5, and by 4 finger. Finally, the speaker concluded that application based on your height and weight, no more accurate portion size. Right, so I think I have speak up to 36 seconds. Let's have a look at the recording. The lecture was about dietitians, weight loss research, out for dinner. Furthermore, the speaker mentioned that a bowl of food, no way to know how much you're eating, hence more approach. Moreover, the speaker suggested that math estimate weight of food, lasagna, watermelon for dessert. In addition, the speaker explained that lasagna by 7, by 5, and by 4 finger. Finally, the speaker concluded that application based on your height and weight, no more accurate portion size. Yep, so that you can see there is no hesitation, right? And most of the keywords, they are correct. So that's give you mark for listening. As long as you speak in the way computer understand you, so your pronunciation is clear enough, then it should be all right. Okay, so that's the end of the Retell lecture demonstration.